Hey there, my brilliant little nuggets. Okay, so this particular question about human versus animal nutrition has been all over the internet for, well, God knows when. You can find it on various Quora threads and virtually every corner of cyberspace. But last week, it blew up on this Reddit post, and oh my, it went viral. The comments were wild, with thousands of Redditors pouring their hearts out, totally baffled. If you've ever spent time scrolling through these online communities, you've probably seen various revisions of this same question pop up again and again. So today, your favorite explainer daddy will put a final definitive answer on it, explaining once and for all why we eat a variety of foods for nutrients while animals don't. I mean, imagine this. You order a pizza with everything on it. You look at your cat, eyeing your chicken, and you think, man, they're not wrong. Lions eat meat, cows eat grass, but I need, well, everything in the fridge. What gives? Well, buckle up, buttercups, because today on Explainer Daddy 101, we're finally solving the culinary mystery those forums are obsessed with. Why we're the only species that needs a buffet line to survive, while our animal buddies are all about that one-item menu life. To get a handle on this, let's start with the big question. What's the deal? Well, think of it like this. Evolution gave us different life strategies. The cow chose the all-you-can-eat grass buffet plan. The lion went with the steak for every meal, forever subscription. And us humans, we canceled all our subscriptions and went for the big brain energy upgrade package. This fancy brain is a power hog. It needs premium, high-octane, easy-to-process fuel from everywhere. We're the ultimate food delivery app. So why is this important? It's because without understanding this, you might try to live on just steak or just lawn clippings, and the only thing you'll be is, well, hangry and malnourished. Let's dive a little deeper into the three main reasons our dining experiences are so different. It's where it gets interesting, and maybe a little gross. Point 1. The cow's fermentation factory. First, our grass-guzzling friend, the cow. This guy's digestive system is a biological masterpiece. 4 stomachs. It's a full-blown fermentation factory in there. They spend hours a day eating, and then more hours chewing their cud, which is a polite way of saying they barf their lunch back up to chew it again. Here's how their weird, wonderful system works. When they swallow that grass initially, it takes a detour to their rumen. That's their main fermentation tank stomach. Inside this warm, soggy vat, the grass gets soaked and inoculated. That's like being thrown a massive pool party for trillions of hungry microbes who immediately jump on and start breaking it down. Later on, they regurgitate this soggy, half-digested grass ball from their stomach back into their mouth, complete with all the microbes that have been clinging onto it. Then, they chew the grass again, this time together with the microbes. It's like putting ketchup on a plain French fry. They're mixing the delicious, nutritious microbe condiment into their meal to get the full flavor. And by flavor, I mean all the vitamins and proteins those microbes created. Their secret? They're not really eating grass, they're harvesting the trillions of microbes that ate the grass for them. They're digesting their own internal chefs. Point 2. The lion's speedy meat missile. Next, the meat master, the lion. Forget a fancy fermentation factory. This guy's body is built like a dragster, all about speed and power, not complexity. His digestive tract is short, simple, and highly acidic, designed to process meat fast and get rid of the waste before it rots inside him. But here's the lion's cheat code. He's the ultimate nutritional freeloader. His prey, like a zebra, is basically a walking, grazing vitamin pill. That zebra spent its whole day eating a huge variety of plants, absorbing all those different nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. The lion doesn't eat grass. He eats something that ate the grass. He just steals the final pre-processed product. This is also why he goes for the organs first. The liver is nature's multivitamin, packed with vitamin A. The heart is loaded with iron and Q10. He even gets his vitamin C from the partially digested plants in the zebra's stomach. So while the cow has internal chefs, the lion has a personal meal prepper. He doesn't need a variety of foods because his single food source contains that variety. Savage? Absolutely. Efficient? You betcha. Point 3. The human's lazy gut and the vitamin C blunder. Finally, us, the brainy buffet eaters. We didn't specialize like the cow or the lion. Nope, we went for the jack of all foods, master of none digestive system. We have a pretty basic all-purpose gut. It's the studio apartment of digestive tracts. But this basic gut was the key to our secret weapon, our massive, energy-hungry brain. This thing consumes about 20% of our calories all by itself. To fuel this supercomputer, we need the most nutrient-dense, easy-to-process fuel we can find fast. So we did something no other animal did. We outsourced the hard work. We discovered fire and said, you know what? You cook it for me. Cooking is like pre-digesting our food outside our bodies. It breaks down tough fibers and proteins, unlocking a crazy amount of extra calories and nutrients our lazy gut could never extract on its own. This is the ultimate life hack. But our genius came with a classic blunder. Our ancient fruit-loving ancestors lived in a vitamin C paradise. Orangutans, mangoes, you name it. They were swimming in it. So at some point, a genetic mutation broke our ability to make vitamin C. And nobody noticed. It was like losing the ability to make your own water while living in a lake. That mutation stuck, and now we're stuck with it. We actually have to eat our oranges instead of just growing them internally like most other animals. Thanks for nothing, ancestors. So, our need for a variety of foods isn't a flaw. It's the price we pay for our big, beautiful, brilliant brains. So, if cows and lions are so efficient at their one thing, why are we the ones building spaceships and they aren't? The answer is simple and incredibly complicated. It's all about trade-offs. The cow's superstomach takes tons of energy and time. It's basically a full-time job just digesting. The lion's simple gut means it can't get nutrients from plants at all. They're specialists. Our simpler, more adaptable gut freed up energy to power our big brains. We traded specialized efficiency for ultimate flexibility. We're not the best at digesting any one thing, but we're pretty good at digesting almost everything. That's why we survive everywhere from the Arctic to the desert, while picky eaters are stuck in their specific menus. And there you have it. The cow is a fermentation scientist, the lion, a nutrient thief, while we are the lazy, brainy chefs who figured out how to cook. They're masters of one trade, but we're the jack of all trades that ended up ruling the world.
My job here is done. You're officially smarter than you were 8 minutes ago. If you enjoyed this wild ride through the world of weird digestion, do your favorite explainer daddy a huge solid. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let me know in the comments what other ridiculous topics you want me to tackle next. Until then, stay curious, and maybe appreciate your next buffet a little more.